One of the best offers I've ever put on for my business was a sale on my birthday that was a buy one, get one free on my satin pillowcases. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a similar buy one, get one offer for your business using the Monk app on Shopify. With Black Friday coming up, let's be honest, as small business owners, we are familiar with the bigger brands doing huge discounts like 50% off site-wide, and it's very tempting to do the same. But if your profit margins are tight, it's going to actually do more harm than good to your business. Trust me, I've been there. I've had Black Friday sales with these results and these results. However, it looks amazing. I actually didn't even make much profit from those sales. And that's because I didn't quite understand profit margins and offers that actually are appealing to your customers, but still make you profit. That's why now I love value-based offers, whether that is buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off, or buy one and get a free gift. You're not actually discounting the first product that they purchase, you're actually changing the perceived value of it, which makes your customers feel like they're getting more for their money, and you're actually moving more inventory at the same time. So this year, instead of dropping prices, let's talk about how we can set up a buy one, get one for our Shopify store. So I would recommend this for your business if you want to promote your hero product. For example, with my business, my reversible satin pillowcase is our hero product. That is why I chose that to be the buy one, get one deal. I made sure that they actually purchased the hero product, which is the reversible satin pillowcase, which is also my most expensive product on our store. So when customers saw that our hero product was on offer for buy one, get one, it immediately grabs their attention and it feels more exclusive and limited. So now we know the why, let's get into the how. So I'm going to hop into my Shopify store and download the Monk app. What I love about this app is just how beginner friendly it is and how easy it is to navigate. Trust me, over the years, I've tried many discount apps on Shopify and I've made many mistakes launching sales just due to the confusing back end of the app. Discounts wouldn't work. I would launch the sale, customers would be trying to buy, and then they will email saying that their offer was not being added at checkout. That is your worst nightmare as a business owner, and Monk simplifies that. With Monk, there is no need to create discount codes and there's no need to manually update your Shopify store, meaning you can have your buy one, get one offer set up in minutes. So once you've installed the app, I do have a link for it down below so you can follow along with this tutorial. You want to open it up in your Shopify dashboard. I also like to pin my favorite apps, so you may want to just pin that to the side of your dashboard. Within the app, you're then going to click in funnels, and this is where you're going to create a discount funnel. So you want to click into create funnel. Here you can see gifts and shipping, and then you want to add buy one, get one. This is crucial if you are planning to do multiple discounts at different times throughout the year. You want to make sure you give it a very clear name. Next, you want to add the rule. So under rules, you're going to click specific product, contains any, and then you're going to choose what product that customer has to purchase in order to trigger the buy one, get one offer. So for example, if I wanted someone to buy a satin pillowcase in order to get the free gift, I would put the satin pillowcase as the trigger. You can also add a trigger as a customer has to spend a certain amount of money. So for example, if you want to do a buy one, get one offer where the customer has to spend £100 and then they get a free gift with their order, you can also do that within here. So for the gift item, you can then choose the same product if you want to do a buy one, get one free completely with the same product. Or you can choose another product which is going to be your gift item. And that is what creates the buy one, get one offer within the Monk app. Once that's done, you can then save the funnel and preview it right inside Shopify to see how it will look on the back end of your Shopify store if you were a customer. Then Monk will automatically add the free gift for your customer in their cart automatically. So you don't have to do any of the back end, adding a discount to your Shopify store. Monk does it all for you, which is a much smoother experience for your customer, especially on a busy sales day. You want to make the process as smooth as possible. And when they see that discount has already been added to their cart, this will remove any confusion. For example, within Shopify at the moment, if you have a discount code option on your cart, it is usually hidden at the checkout page, and I've had loads of customers email and be annoyed that they're not sure where to add their discount at the end, or they will email and say, I haven't got a discount or the discount code's not working. Now let's talk strategy. So you can actually use this app to help clear stock. For example, say my satin scrunchies haven't been selling well in a certain color. Maybe I will just say, if you buy like a bonnet, you will get that color scrunchie for free. And that's just a way to get rid of the stock, while you are also encouraging them to buy the bonnet, which you may have not actually got that sale if it didn't have a free gift with it. You can also use it as like a bundle deal. So customers really love to purchase bundles, especially around the Christmas period. Another strategy is to use it as a reward for your VIP customers. So I have done this on my birthday. I did a buy one get one on the pillowcases, and that was exclusively just to our email subscribers. This still doesn't have to go out to the public. If you do exclusively, you will have to have a discount code, so you just will have to make that very clear in your messaging that they will have to enter a code at checkout. I love that Monk also has a way that you can customize your messaging. Your customers can see a branded popper or a banner that matches your store's style. So that's exactly how to set up a buy one get one offer. Simple sale discounts aren't cutting it anymore. Customers are bored with the typical percentage off discounts now, so you want to add something different and stand out for your customers. Adding a free gift or buy one get one is going to stand out way more against the competition on a busy sales day like Black Friday. So if you're planning any offers soon or a Black Friday sale, make sure you try the Monk app for your buy one get one offers. I've left the link below in the description box so you can download it for your own Shopify store. Let me know down below what offer has worked the best for your online business. Subscribe for more business tip videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.